Have you ever gotten a letter from the IRS that made your heart skip a beat? One of the most common ones is the CP11 Notice. It says the IRS found a math error on your tax return and now you owe more money. It sounds simple, but this notice is special. It gives the IRS the power to bill you much faster than a normal audit. But it also gives you a very specific, and very powerful, way to fight back if you think the IRS is wrong. In this video, we're going to break down exactly what a CP11 notice is, what it means for you, and the single most important step you must take to protect your rights. So, what makes a CP11 notice different from a regular audit? Normally, if the IRS questions your return, they have to go through a long process. They examine your records, you get a chance to appeal, and you can even go to tax court, all before you have to pay a dime. But the CP11 notice is different. It's based on what the IRS calls math error authority. This is a shortcut that lets the IRS skip the entire audit process and immediately assess the extra tax. They can do this because the law, specifically Internal Revenue Code Section 6213, gives them this power for certain types of mistakes. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly counts as a math error? It's more than just bad addition or subtraction. It can be things like using the wrong tax table for your filing status, forgetting to attach a required form, like the one for education credits, claiming a credit that's more than the law allows. A big one is having a missing or incorrect social security number for yourself, your spouse, or a dependent, which can affect major credits like the child tax credit or the earned income tax credit. It even includes situations where the income you reported doesn't match the income shown on the W-2 your employer sent to the IRS. If your situation falls into one of these categories, the IRS can use its math error authority to send you a CP11 notice. Okay, so the IRS can bill you immediately. That sounds scary. But here is the most important part of this entire video. When you receive a CP11 notice, you have a 60-day golden ticket to make it all go away, at least for a while. The law says that if you disagree with the notice, you have 60 days from the date on the notice to ask for an abatement. If you make that request on time, the IRS must cancel the assessment. It's not a negotiation, they have to do it. What does this mean for you? It means the immediate threat of collection is gone. If the IRS still thinks you owe the money, they can't just bill you again. They have to switch gears and start the normal, slower audit process, which gives you all your appeal and tax court rights back. During this 60-day window, the IRS is also legally blocked from taking any collection action against you. They can't levy your bank account or garnish your wages. So, you have a CP11 notice in your hand. What should you do? First, if you look at the notice and realize the IRS is right, the simplest thing to do is pay the balance by the due date. This will stop any more interest and penalties from piling up. But if you disagree, you need to act fast. Check the date. Find the date on the top right corner of your notice. Your 60-day clock starts from that date. Request abatement in writing, don't just call. The best way to protect yourself is to send a letter to the IRS stating that you disagree with the CP11 notice and are requesting an abatement of the assessment under Internal Revenue Code Section 6213. You don't need to send a mountain of proof at this stage. Just make the request. Use certified mail. Send your letter by certified mail with a return receipt. This gives you undeniable proof that you sent your request on time. This is your safety net. Once you do that, the assessment is canceled, and the process resets. You'll have a fair chance to explain your side of the story. To sum it up, a CP11 notice is a serious matter because it fast-tracks the assessment process. But it's not a final verdict. The law gives you a powerful tool, the 60-day right to request abatement, to push back and ensure you get a fair hearing. Never ignore an IRS notice, especially a CP11. Read it carefully, understand the deadline, and if you disagree, send that certified letter. It's the single best step you can take to protect your financial well-being. Sign up to watch the ultimate guide to solving your IRS tax problems video to learn all about how to fix your IRS situation.